sit there. Tell Daddy.
What? What? You wanna sit there? Why? You wanna sit there? Okay. Mommy helping you. Is it good now? Is it good now? May? Is it good now? Put bang kapaw. Where's the baby?
Where? Is the baby kangaroo? Where is her eye? Where is a kangaroo? That one?
Alright.
Where is the ear? Ear. Yeah. Wow, very big
Big
ear.
ears.
And where is the mouse? Kangaroo mouse. Yeah?
Little one.
Little one. Where is a finger kangaroo?
Here. Only two.
Okay, where is a nose? Is there? Where is a mommy kangaroo?
Here.
Where is a mommy?